If you want to install apps from unknown sources on a Realme GT8 Pro, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down and we need to find Security and Privacy. Scroll down again, this time choose More Security and Privacy once you find it. And then in here, we're gonna scroll down a little bit in order to find Installation Sources. Now in this place, you will find the list of apps that can potentially install other apps from unknown sources, of course. So for example, let's say you used the Chrome browser to download an app, and now if you want to install it by using the Chrome browser, you need to allow the Chrome browser to install unknown apps over here. And we need to confirm our choice. And that is pretty much it. After that, of course, you can go back to in this case, the Chrome browser, of course, and you can install the app from there. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.